Wanted to briefly mention renal clearance. Renal clearance is important because it helps us determine the function of the kidney. How well is it functioning? So we want to test things that are freely filtered. And to do that, we make some assumptions, right? So some of our assumptions include a particle being small, non-charged, not reabsorbed, not secreted, not metabolized, not bound to proteins, and it has to be water soluble. If it meets that criteria, then we can use it to test for renal clearance. There are two compounds that we can use for our renal clearance test. They are inulin and creatinine. Both are freely filtered, and they have a similar GFR to the standard that we want to test for. I would know the equation, just basic, have a basic understanding of it. So C of X is the clearance of X down here. How much of X is actually cleared in the urine? U of X is the amount of substance X in the urine multiplied by the volume of urine over the plasma concentration or filtrate concentration of X. Further than that, I wouldn't worry too much about renal clearance. I would understand it, what it's used to test, standard GFRs, the assumptions, and the equation. But I wouldn't stress too much about anything else.